Good afternoon, everyone. Thought I'd make a little video on these BOOSTAUTO license plate lights. They sent these to me. I was gonna put them on my 08, but then I remembered I have an aftermarket rear bumper, and these are a direct stock replacement for your stock lights. So they wouldn't work on there, but luckily I have another truck with the stock rear bumper, so I was gonna put these in, show you how easy it is, and how much brighter they are than stock. So check this out. So I think all I need is a screwdriver. Let's see. So here's your light. Put this on first. I have just come in from the back side here and see that right there. Pop that out, and you can reach around from the back side, grab that. So that is super easy. And this here, I think I need two hands for this to get this little clip out. You just pop this clip off. There we go. Open these up. So that's what the new one looks like. There's the old one. And all you do is take your stock bulb, pull that out, and this just plugs right in there, just like that. And then you can put it back in here. It's locked in. So let's get this back installed in the bumper. So that just fits in just like that. Nice clean fit. And then we just go to the other side and put the clip in. There we go. Now we'll plug this in. It's locked in. See if you guys can see that here. And let's test it out. See if we can see this with the sun. I'll add some shade. There, you can kind of see there. Big difference. It's actually a huge difference. I'll give you some nighttime shots of the before and after as well, but that's pretty nice. So that was a real quick and easy install for these, which is really cool. You don't have to do a whole bunch of tearing things apart and replacing parts. So that's pretty cool. I'm just gonna swap out the other side real quick, and then I'll give you some nighttime shots so you can see the big difference. Doesn't get much quicker than that. That took me 2 minutes to do one side. So under 5 minutes, you can have the whole thing done. Check those out. Pretty nice. So check out BOOSTAUTO, and you can get some sweet mirrors, like the tow mirrors I have on both my trucks, or some lighting, some side steps. They got a whole bunch of parts there. I recommend checking them out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.